A to Z Landscaping LV, palm tree trimming in Las Vegas. Call us at 702-449-6710 or visit our website at www.azlandscapinglv.com. At A to Z Landscaping LV, we are a small family business and you deal directly with the guys that do your work. Our two climbers are former wildland firefighters with specialized training who take pride in hard work, quality, and customer satisfaction. Take a look at our pictures for they speak for themselves. A to Z Landscaping LV specializes in palm tree trimming, tree removal, stump grinding, stump removal, yard cleaning, and more. We service HOAs, country clubs, casinos, and private resorts. When palm seeds start dropping, make sure to get them pruned before it makes a big mess all over your yard or in your pool. A to Z Landscaping LV, palm tree trimming in Las Vegas. Call us at 702-449-6710 or visit our website at www.azlandscapinglv.com. Call or text today for a free estimate. 702-449-6710.